Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your tools and immediately tackling loose grime. Mix 1 teaspoon of mild dish soap with 2 cups of warm water in a spray bottle. This gentle solution removes oils without harming the finish. Spray a microfiber cloth, not the appliance, and wipe along the grain in steady strokes to lift fingerprints. Use cotton swabs for crevices. Once done, switch to a dry microfiber and buff to remove streaks, so the surface looks even before deeper cleaning. Now you move into removing stubborn fingerprints and residue. Spray a 1-to-1 white vinegar and water mix. Vinegar cuts grease and evaporates quickly so you won't leave film. For tougher spots, make a paste of baking soda and water, apply sparingly, and rub gently with a soft cloth along the grain to avoid micro scratches. Rinse the area with a damp microfiber to remove any abrasive residue. Then immediately dry thoroughly to prevent mineral spots and restore the uniform finish by applying a light polish. Put 3 to 5 drops of mineral oil or a dedicated stainless steel polish on a clean microfiber and rub along the grain in small sections. This seals the surface and reduces future fingerprints. Buff until the sheen is even. If you see streaks, make sure your cloths are clean and try again with gentler pressure. Streaks often come from residue or dirty cloths rather than the cleaner. If marks persist, repeat the vinegar rinse, then reapply polish sparingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.